$0 to $10,000. The only 3 side hustles worth starting in 2025. In 2025, the world is full of side hustle opportunities, but not every hustle is worth your time. The truth is, most of the advice you'll hear online is outdated, recycled, or simply not practical anymore. Drop shipping, oversaturated. Print on demand, margins too thin. Crypto, a gamble. Even freelancing platforms are now overflowing with people who can't find consistent work because AI has automated away many basic tasks. But there are still golden opportunities. 3 very specific side hustles that stand out as the only ones truly worth starting this year. They require little to no money upfront, they scale fast, and they actually have the potential to take someone from $0 to $10,000 if they stick with it. The first thing to understand is why so many people fail with side hustles. It's not because there are no opportunities, but because they chase every new trend without realizing that the real wealth comes from being early in growing markets. 2025 is not about selling random products from AliExpress or spamming affiliate links. It's about aligning with where the attention, the demand, and the leverage are moving. That's what separates hustles that fizzle out from hustles that build actual income streams. So what are the 3? Let's break them down one by one, but instead of listing them like a boring tutorial, let's walk through how each can realistically go from $0 to $10,000, step by step. The first hustle is what I like to call AI-powered content automation. In the past, YouTube automation meant paying freelancers to write scripts, record voiceovers, and edit videos. It required capital. But in 2025, you can create an entire content channel, brand, or faceless media empire with nothing more than AI tools. The difference now is that these tools aren't just gimmicks. They're powerful enough to make human-level work in minutes. Imagine opening up an AI script generator, producing a 10-minute video on any trending niche, pairing it with an AI-generated voiceover that sounds indistinguishable from a human, and editing it together in a matter of hours. Within days, you could have multiple videos uploaded, monetized with ads, affiliates, and sponsorships. The only real skill you need is knowing how to choose niches that people are searching for. Instead of trying to be an influencer yourself, you become the invisible operator behind multiple faceless brands. With consistency, one viral video can generate thousands in ad revenue, and once you have a library of content, it compounds. The reason this works so well in 2025 is because the platforms YouTube, TikTok, even short-form reels are pushing out endless demand for video. AI has leveled the playing field, so anyone who understands how to package information can compete with big creators. The second hustle is AI-driven micro-agency services. This is where you stop thinking like a solo hustler and start thinking like a business owner. Businesses are desperate to catch up with AI but have no clue how to implement it. Most small to mid-sized companies don't even know how to use AI to automate customer service, generate leads, or write content. They're busy trying to survive. That's where you come in. With the right tools, you can create an agency offering AI integration packages that help businesses save time and money. For example, you can build an AI chatbot for a local real estate company to handle inquiries, or set up AI-driven marketing emails for an e-commerce shop. These are things you can learn to set up in days. Yet businesses are willing to pay hundreds or thousands of dollars to have someone do it for them. You don't need to be a coder, you just need to know how to use AI platforms that are already built. The power here is leverage. One client paying you $1,000 a month for ongoing AI support means you only need 10 clients to hit $10,000 monthly. In 2025, offering AI-powered services is like offering websites in 1998. It's new, in demand, and most people don't know where to start. That's why this side hustle isn't just profitable, it's inevitable. And then there's the third hustle, digital product empires powered by AI distribution. Selling digital products has always been a powerful business model because of the margins. You create it once, sell it forever. But in 2025, the game has evolved. Instead of spending weeks writing an ebook or course, you can use AI to produce professional quality digital assets in a fraction of the time. Think ebooks, templates, swipe files, stock assets, or even entire mini courses. The real trick is not just creating the product, but distributing it intelligently. This is where AI-driven marketing comes in. Tools that write optimized sales pages, generate ad copy, or even run campaigns for you. Imagine you create a $30 digital guide on how small businesses can use AI for marketing. With AI-powered distribution, you can run highly targeted campaigns across social platforms, reach the exact audience who wants it, and scale quickly. Sell 334 copies and you've made $10,000. Once you've built one product, you can replicate the system endlessly, stacking digital products across niches. Over time, this becomes passive income, an entire catalog of products that sell while you sleep. Now here's the secret most people won't tell you. These three hustles, content automation, AI-driven services, and digital product empires, are all connected. They feed into each other. A faceless content channel can drive traffic to your digital products. Your micro-agency can use digital products as lead magnets. Your digital product brand can leverage content automation to generate attention. Instead of treating them like separate hustles, you can build a system where each one reinforces the other. That's how you go from scattered experiments to a real $10,000 per month business. The real challenge isn't the tools or even the competition. It's focus. In 2025, there will be 100 distractions every week. New AI platforms, new side hustle gurus, new secret methods. But if you commit to one of these three and put in the time to master it, you'll find yourself way ahead of the curve. Remember, you don't need 100 hustles. You need one that actually works and the discipline to scale it. So, if you're starting from $0, here's the mindset to adopt. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait until you feel ready. And don't waste time chasing every shiny new hack. Choose one of the three hustles, dedicate 90 days to building it, and commit to learning as you go. The path to $10,000 isn't about luck. It's about momentum. Every dollar you make is proof that it works, and every system you set up compounds into something bigger. 2025 is the year where average people can build extraordinary income streams if they position themselves correctly. The internet is still wide open. AI is still in its early stages. And those who take action now, instead of sitting on the sidelines, will be the ones telling their own $0 to $10,000 story in just a few months. The only question is, will you start today? Or will you wait until everyone else has already taken the best seats at the table?